What's up, guys? Another day at the shop here, and today we are working on this Chevy Silverado. This one we picked it up a couple weeks ago, and it had us. It spun it spun it.
You have to don't. What did he say? You have to don't.
Rod bearing. Let me show you guys. Check this out. So then we are right here. You can check out the crankshaft. Those rod journals are done. So we're gonna take off the crankshaft and we're gonna send it to a machine shop, and we are going to see if they can save it. If they can't save it, then we're gonna have to put another crankshaft. And yeah, in order to get all this crap off, we have to drop the crans. And this truck has a lot of mods. This thing has a 4L80 transmission in it, and look at this torque converter. And then yeah, so right now I sent one of the guys to go pick up a part for another vehicle, and I'm gonna have him put the front cover again, because we have to put the front cover off and drop the crank and sand it. Let's go see what we got going on with Burke over here. What we got going on here, Burke?
Well, I'm taking out the water pump and it's stuck.
What's stuck?
That water pump is stuck.
How is it stuck?
Well, I took all 4 bolts are out on it, but it's still stuck in there. I tried using a pry bar on it, but it gets stuck.
Did you spit on the thing? Okay. You sure you took off all the
Yeah,
bolts?
so there's one right here, one right here, one right here, and one right here, and there's only 4. I've checked all data on it, and I felt around here just to like make sure. But I mean, this is the only bolt right here that's actually like still connected to the water pump. You know what I mean? And it's all 4. Like, it's all 4. It's so stuck. See?
So we got 1, 2, 3,
and then there's 4. See it? That's just a gun.
Okay. So in this situation, you're gonna
Try kind of like banging it to see if I can just loosen it.
yeah. Did you try that already?
Yeah. I've tried going in these corners, like getting this pry bar in this corner. See if I can get it like banged up. But
With the what were you trying to bang it out with this?
yeah, with that. That way I don't damage anything. So this game.
Let's get the bigger one. make sure it goes both ways. You don't want to hit it one side and it's just gonna tweak all over. There she is. Water pump out.
I'll take a piece of sandpaper for that.
Yeah, or a wire wheel.
Yeah. Look at her curl, so
Yeah.
it is.
So we also got an AC leak. Straighter valves are leaking on the low side,
The high side's a little bit, but not like
but not
not like that
Yeah.
side. Like it's mostly because like you put on the when you put it on, it just lets out a little bit of refrigerant.
Either way, we're still gonna replace it. So you just we already got everything evacuated, so there shouldn't be any pressure in here. And we do this counterclockwise. Sometimes it's tight.
You need vice grips?
Oh, vice grips, please, or pliers. And this is part of I want to say maintenance. Whenever a customer comes in for like an AC service, a vacuum and recharge, we always replace these because these fell. Find me that one.
I think it's gonna be this one over here.
So that one's the, yeah. That one's that. And put this in here. The bigger side. And when it comes down to tightening it, you never need pliers to fucking loosen it.
To tighten it.
Yeah. No, to loosen it. Like that's how you know somebody tightened it with fucking pliers. If you get to if you get
use the pliers to
yeah
tighten it.
yeah. So it's always it's tight and then you just give a little bit. Don't fucking
Go tug.
like people out there with filters. They fucking crank on it with their filter tool.
Like the Toyota.
Man, screw that Toyota. Why is it so coming up? And then I'm gonna let you put that other one on there, same thing. And then connect the gauges and put like a 10-minute vacuum on there. On those ones, I have another tray for that. 1.38. The spec is 1.5, 1.50. So then the machine automatically does everything for you.
Yeah.
When you press automatic, hit automatic, and then hit skip.
Yeah.
We already know the spec, so it's gonna be 1.5, 1.50. Hit OK. This machine, you typically want to do like a 10 to 20 minute chart or vacuum. I always put 10.
Yeah. It's
So,
less time. But
yeah.
It's still efficient.
So we put 10-minute vacuum and then you hit continue. Then you do it on both sides. And that's it. And then once you have the what's going on here, buddy?
I need the actual push rod. The rod right there.
Huh?
We got a bigger rod. The reach, I really want to push it out just enough, but it just needs like a little bit more. And if I use
You see this? Is this the longest one?
Yeah.
This is not the longest one.
No, that's the longest one. That's the square one.
This is not. Where's the one that you found?
That was it.
No,
The other
is it?
one, you put it back.
So usually I have a bigger rod, that long, straight solid wood, and I fucking lost it. I lost it somewhere here. And we're trying to improvise. But doesn't seem to work out.
Sherry. I want to do underwater welding.
That's what I'm saying.
It's you could die like that.
You can easily die. You can die anyway.
You really could die anyway.
You could die right now. You just never know.
Guess which right is more?
Nice. That worked.
Yeah. Well, that's what you're gonna do this.
Get her done.
So now we check if this is on in time. This is not on time. Wait fucking minute. Wait a minute, is it still on TDC? Can you check if it's still on top dead center? There's gonna be a compression. We want it on TDC on the compression side. So I think this is the timing mark, and it has to be timed with the fucking link right there. So then turn it again, put your screwdriver in there, turn it again one more time, one full time, until it gets to top dead center again. And then you want to make sure that these lines are lined up. So put the crank ball in here,